Hey everyone, this is Brittany Robinson and I'm here today to talk about the difference between UX and UI design. UX is short for user experience design, and it's a people-first approach to the design process. It's all about creating the best possible experience for people who are using your sites, apps, or products. That means doing some research about what your user needs and wants, and then putting yourself in their shoes so that you can create something that looks consistent and feels intuitive to use. UX isn't just important for digital products. For instance, one of my favorite examples is from Don Norman's book, The Design of Everyday Things, which I highly suggest you check out if you're interested in learning more about UX. In that book, he points out that even everyday objects like teapots have UX considerations. For instance, you wouldn't want to put the spout on the same side of the teapot as the handle. Otherwise, when you go to pour the tea, you're going to pour hot tea all over yourself, and nobody wants that. So the placement of the handle on the opposite side as the spout is UX in action. The sister of UX design is UI design, and UI is short for user interface. UI design is the visual cousin of UX. It uses visual communication such as colors, typography, and graphic design principles to help users figure out how to use a product, app, or website. UX and UI are very similar, and there is some overlap, although they use very different skills and tools to solve problems for users. So UX designers might create the skeleton for a website and then pass it off to a UI designer. And then the UI designer would add all the colors and visual elements on top of that skeleton until you have one cohesive, user-friendly, and delightful website.